Anything in the world is stoppable through any type of things like machines and whatever. Anything in the world is stoppable, but time, it is unstoppable, and it doesn't stop by anything else. Any disaster or any incident or anything, it doesn't stop, it continues its work. So time is unstoppable, it doesn't stop for anyone else or anything else. We need to organize our work and we need to follow that. So time is precious, don't forget that. Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in this video, we are going to know about the word procrastination. The word procrastination, many members don't know the meaning actually. So here is a detailed video about the procrastination, the meaning of the procrastination and the causes, what are its causes and how to avoid this procrastination. I'm gonna give you some tips. So and also I'm gonna give you a bonus tip at last. So don't miss the bonus tip, watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So what is procrastination? So procrastination is the action of delaying or postponing something. So we think to do something, but we actually, because of some unwanted work, or okay, it may be useful, but sometimes we delay the work or postpone the work. The action of delaying or postponing the work is called procrastination. Do something which is not useful, we do something which is not useful by wasting time through unwanted things, and because of that it leads to procrastinations. So finally postponing the today's work to tomorrow, you can say that is procrastination. So the procrastination, the word, it came from the Latin word pro, means forward, pro meaning forward, and castinus to meaning of tomorrow. So forward to tomorrow, that means we are forwarding it to tomorrow, that today's work we are forwarding it to tomorrow. So we are postponing the work, we are delaying the work. So this is the meaning of the procrastination. So procrastination is the thief of time, we say it as procrastination is a thief of time. It actually grabs our time, it takes the time away, it takes our time away through unwanted things or whatever. So what are the causes of this procrastination? So there are 6 causes which I'm going to tell you in this video now. So the first one is avoidance. So we avoid the work usually, so because of that this also leads to procrastination. So avoiding of the work also leads to procrastination. And the second is size, length and complexity of the task. So sometimes we have to do something, but as it is huge, the size, length and complexity, as it is very hard to do, we delay it. So because of the size, length of complexity of the task also, we say tomorrow I can do, so we delay the work or we postpone the work. So because of that leads to procrastination. And third is the lack of motivation. In some people, because of the lack of motivation, they doesn't start the work, or they postpone the work to tomorrow. So that is the one of the reason, one of the cause. And in the fourth one is the inability to start. So they we will think to do, but we won't start. The starting point is very important. If we start, we can continue, but if we don't start and if we think to continue, how is that possible? So we have to start first, we have to start first and think about that later. So even the fifth one is now all or nothing thinking. So I think to do some work, but I think more about it, or I think nothing about it. So those two are very dangerous. So thinking more is also harmful, thinking nothing about the work is also harmful. So we have to think, and if we think, if we feel that is good, and we have to start it immediately. So no overthinking or no less thinking, so that should be done. So the sixth is because of the distractions. So distraction, because of the when we think to start any work or when we do any work, especially while studying, distractions. So either it may be phone, either it may be people around you, either it may be whatever, TV or whatever. So you distract very often, so we distract very often. So to avoid because of this distraction also, we procrastinate for some time. Okay, we have procrastination is can be done for less time, but not for more time. Like you can take, there are advantages of procrastination. You can refresh your brain, you can refresh your brain, or you can take some break, but it should have some limit, not unlimited. So you have to take some limit, so that is useful. But more spending on procrastination, it is also not good. So you have to not postpone the work usually. So these are the causes of procrastination. So now we shall see how to overcome this procrastination. That So now let's see the tips to avoid procrastination or overcome procrastination. So I'm gonna tell you 7 tips. So the first one is break your work into little steps. So when your work is very heavy or too large, so break it into some steps so that you feel easy and you feel I have to do this. So you break your work into little steps. So do step by step. And second tip is create a detailed timeline with specific deadlines. So you create a deadline for yourself so that you do it on time. So if there is no deadline, you delay it or postpone it. So when there is a deadline, you think I have to do, and you may do. So to create yourself a deadline and create a timeline for that. So the third tip is hang out with people who inspire you to take action. So hanging out is also very important in your daily routine. So hang out with people who inspire you. Okay, not wasting time, but who inspire you. The people who inspire you, hang out with them. So it may be it will be helpful for you. And the fourth tip is make your task fun. So this is also very important. So making your task fun, as it is very strong or very hard, you feel somewhat stressful in that way. So sometimes you have to make your task some fun so that you feel happy and you enjoy the task, so you don't feel any distraction or you don't feel stressful, you continue your work. So that is the point. So fifth tip is give yourself some break after every task. So in first point I have told you to break your task into little steps. So after every step, take some break. Take some break, and that should be limited. That break should be limited. So you may take 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so according to your time you spent on your task. So take break. Even taking break is also very useful for you to refresh your mind and to think newly. So sixth tip I would give you is get rid of distractions. So put your phone or your TV or whatever, put people around you. So get rid of the distractions first. Sit in a place where you don't find any of these. So you have to choose a place like that, and you have to sit and you have to start your task. Okay, so next, the seventh tip I would like to give you is commit to the task. Yes, commitment is also very important. So the task which you have to be committed to that. You have to think that is your task and you have to complete it. So as I have told you, you have to create a deadline and some fun in your task and everything. So these are the tips for you to help you to overcome the procrastination. So here is the detailed video of the procrastination, and I hope you all understood it and you also try to put it into action in your daily life. Now you came to know the meaning of the word procrastination. So now let's see what is the bonus tip. So the bonus tip I would like to give you is the 2 minutes rule. So this was said by the David Allen, who is the author and also the productive he also be productive and does all the good things. So he said this: if you want to start a new work or you want to put on a new habit, so if it takes less than 2 minutes, then why not now? So just get started. Do not postpone or delay, and this leads to procrastinating again. So do not postpone or delay something. When you want to do something, just start doing that immediately. So this was the 2 minute rule. So as I have told you, time is very precious, and do not waste your time and do not procrastinate on over a long period of time. So I hope this video is very useful to you and you learned some things from this video, and hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.